Hello and welcome to a brand new video. My name is Jem, aka Wheels No Heels. You might recognize me from my last video where we visited the north of Wales, but this time we are down in the south of Wales to see what accessible tourist attractions it has to offer. If that all sounds like good stuff to you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get into this. We're here at the Royal Mint Experience, which I'm really excited to see what this is all about. We've got plenty of accessible parking, and they have been making coins for well over 1,000 years. This is where it all began. This is the Alfred the Great penny, which was the first coin that was ever struck here. We've had a really great time here at the Royal Mint. The tour was completely accessible and our tour guide Daniel was really informative and friendly as well. We definitely recommend this experience if you're in the South Wales area. And I also got to strike my own 50p coin, which I will be adding to my collection.
And I'm proud owner of this chocolate coin.
Nice. Yeah.
I know which one I want.
We're gonna go get some dinner now, so Sean's desperate for dinner. We'll see you there. We're in the Caesar's Arms for dinner tonight, which is a lovely sort of like pubby kind of bistro place with their own fresh produce, and attached is a farm shop as well. So I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what's on the menu. I'm sure they've got some local Welsh produce. Last time I didn't get to have my local Welsh lamb, but this time, Daisy, this time we're going to have the local Welsh lamb. Now we are off back to our hotel for a good night's sleep, because what are we doing tomorrow, Deebs?
Zip World
Really
and
need
something
it.
else, coal mining, I think.
Yeah. Excited?
Yes, I'm a bit scared
Yeah.
for the big zip line.
Bum bum bum. We will see you tomorrow. Good morning from a sunny South Wales. Today is very exciting. I've got my hair in braids. We're ready for action because today we're going to be doing the world's fastest seated zip line.
You ready for that, Days?
No.
So I have no shame and I'm a little bit weird.
Welcome to the club.
So we're going up in the truck.
Going up. Yeah. Straight down here. I mean, I can't do this.
Yeah, you're gonna have a wheelchair ready for you. So they'll sit you in that. I'll be about 5-10 minutes getting back down to you, and then we'll bring you straight back up. Okay? Happy with that so far?
Yes.
Awesome. So if you guys want to come, whichever lines you're going to put that to.
Nervous? Yeah. Oh, fair enough.
Stand up.
Take a seat.
How was that? Yeah. Don't film me and I'll take the wheelchair over.
How was it, Sean?
That was unreal, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I loved it.
Best thing we've done so far.
Best thing we've done so far?
Yeah.
Well, it is no rest for the wicked because now we are zipping our way across to Rhondda to the Welsh coal mining experience.
My name is Peter and I'll be taking on tour this afternoon.
The Black Gold Underground Experience is an award-winning tour of the Rhondda Valley coal mine, which will take you underground and back in time. Digital and interactive displays bring history to life.
Well, don't you worry. I'll drop you down nice and gentle, if you be blood.
We learned how miners worked firsthand from our guide who was a former miner with nearly 30 years experience. A particular highlight was riding the simulated dram back to the surface. Using my Welsh. After our coal mining experience, we've definitely worked up a bit of a hunger. And we've stopped here at the Chocolate House Cafe, which is in the Coal Mining Museum. And it is so quaint. All of the cakes and the pastries are all homemade. And there's tea, coffee, hot chocolates. It's such a cute atmosphere. We have checked into our hotel. The Vale Hotel is absolutely gorgeous here, greeted with a friendly Welsh welcome. Our room is massive, really lovely and spacious and comfortable. And we're just here in the grill enjoying our meal tonight, which looks really, really lovely. I have salmon. Sean has tempura prawns, vegetables. Daisy's got lovely breads. How's the bread, Dee? Yeah? We are at St Fagans Open Air Museum today, and this is one of Wales' most popular tourist attractions, so let's go in and see why. There's a lot to see. I think there's about 100 acres of land to get around today. Looks like there's a couple of changing places facilities, which is good to see. Barn was built in about 1850 and then it was dismantled and brought here in 2011 and resurrected here, and we get to enjoy it. I'm warming my cockles by the fire, so it's really nice. This looks a lot more modern than the other room. I wonder if they've done different rooms for different periods. This is a 12th century church. It was re-erected here at St Fagans in about 2007, I think. If you're visiting South Wales, St Fagans National Museum of History, situated just outside Cardiff, is not to be missed. This museum serves as a captivating journey through time, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the daily lives of people from ancient eras right up to present day. It's been really lovely getting around here. All the paths are nice and flat. There are a few sort of like hills and things, but it's really, really nice and accessible with lots of toilet stops along the way because it is a large property. So I'm very thankful that I've got my Vatek today. We're in the castle grounds now, and we've got a map here which tells us the accessible routes, which is full. And then when we've got the dotted lines, there's a bit of a gradient or steps, but we're going to see how much we can get done.
Yeah, so St
Makes learning
Fagans,
history fun.
Yeah,
I
it's like
guess
they're
thumbs up.
actually in like a whole village.
double thumbs up.
I've
Thumbs
got
up from the Hub family.
Yeah. This is our final evening here in Wales, so we're having a bit of a special meal. We're at the Hare and Hound. I've got my local beer. It's also been Michelin recommended, so I'm really excited to try their local produce that they have on offer.
a good vibe in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really happening, isn't it? This has actually been serving the people of the local Glamorgan area for over 300 years. It's almost Oof, well, we're stuffed now, but that was so good, wasn't it? Yeah, but definitely time for bed.
Looks like a good day for the beach.
Borada! It's our last day in Wales. I feel like we have eaten our way around Wales. How about you, Daisy?
Yeah.
We are heading down to Barry Island now, and I'm going to try and find out why it's called Barry Island, because it's not actually an island. We're going down, I'm going to try out some of the beach wheelchairs, and very exciting, we're going to see some of the
Gavin and Stacey set.
Yes, some of the Gavin and Stacey filming locations. If you don't know what Gavin and Stacey is, it was a comedy show that was really, really popular in the mid-2000s, but it's still really popular today. It was written by James Corden and Ruth Jones, but yeah, we love it, don't we, Days?
Yeah, it's my favourite.
I love it
well,
too.
It's my favourite stuff.
I love it too.
Yes, you do. We all love it.
Yeah.
It's your comfort show, isn't it, Days?
Yes.
We'll see you when we're there. Tight. Yes, perfect day for the beach. If you find yourself on Barry Island in much better weather than us and you fancy a quick dip, beach wheelchairs are available to hire, situated behind Marco's Cafe by the baby changing. So it looks like you just have to fill out a form, and it looks like you can hire these for the maximum of 4 hours. One, it's really nice to be on the sand, and 2, that was so easy just getting down from like the pavilion here, whereas with Bondi you had to carry me, didn't you? Well, after all that excitement and fresh air, it's definitely time to warm ourselves up with a hot coffee and something to eat at our last destination here in South Wales, the Good Sheds. We've made it to the Good Sheds. This is really cool. It's like shipping containers put together. It's pretty new as well, but we're really excited to go in and check out the shops. We love a little bit of shopping. They've got like boutique shops and lots of lovely places to eat, and I can definitely do with a coffee.
I need something savoury after those donuts.
Let's go. And this place looks so cool. On first impressions, the accessibility has been on point. I can smell food in the air. They've got these converted trams here with the shops and boutiques, which I'm really excited to explore, that look completely accessible as well. Oh my goodness, this sandwich is incredible. It's like something you find in America. What a perfect way to end our trip with these absolutely amazing sandwiches here at the Good Sheds. What was your favourite activity, Daisy?
Zip World.
Sean?
I love the coal mine, especially the ride at the end. I wasn't expecting that.
I think I absolutely love the beach wheelchairs, but it's got to be the Zip World. That was such an amazing experience, and like a memory that like we can have forever. It was so good, and the accessibility was so amazing as well. I'm really impressed with the accessibility in South Wales. We've had such a lovely time, haven't we, as a family?
Yeah.
And I just can't wait to come back. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up
Subscribe
and hit that bell. Diolch Cymru.
for your phone.
Bye.